Stand on your mat in mountain pose. Place your feet hip-width apart and parallel with each other. Stand tall, directing your gaze forward and down to establish a focal point that will help you balance. Breathing steadily, shift your weight to one leg, pressing down through the foot. Imagine the roots. And pull up on the inner thigh. A steady breathing rhythm, especially stable exhalations, will also help your balance. Now bring the heel of the other leg to rest on your ankle with your toes on the floor for tree pose. Stretch your arms wide. If you find balancing here is a challenge, this is your pose. If you feel able to challenge your balance more, raise the foot. Holding it can help. And put the sole of the foot on the calf or inner thigh. Once your foot is in place, press it and the thigh together to stabilize your position and stretch your arms wide. Relax your shoulders as you lift the side body. Breathing in, bring your arms slightly forward. And breathing out, take them by your ears, reaching to the ceiling. Can you bring your knee back? Inhale, release, bringing your palms together at your chest. And exhale as you step back to mountain pose. Shift your weight to the other foot. Pressing down through that foot to ground your pose and lift the inner thigh. Remember, a steady breathing rhythm, especially stable exhalations, help firm the core and steady your balance. Use your gaze as well. Now bring the heel of the other leg to rest on your ankle with your toes on the floor. And stretch your arms wide. If you're able to, lift the foot higher, placing it on the calf or inner thigh, and pressing the foot and thigh together to stabilize your position. As you steady your core, you can let go of any tension you're holding in your shoulders, allowing the upper body to be light. Breathing in, bring your arms slightly forward, and breathing out, take them by your ears, actively reaching to the ceiling. Can you bring your knee back? Inhale, bringing the palms together at the chest, and exhale, returning to mountain pose. Step your feet apart and extend your arms. Position your feet wrist width apart, though you should shorten the stance if your legs feel strained. Now hold your hips. Relax your hips and rotate your right leg 90 degrees out, so your center thigh, knee, and toes face the end of the mat. Letting the hips relax and float allows them to turn to the right slightly if that is needed to rotate the legs sufficiently. It probably is needed. Turn your left toes slightly to the right and align your heels with one another. Now extend your right arm by your ear and take a moment to cultivate the roots of this pose by pressing the left foot firmly to the mat. Breathe in. Shift your hips towards the back of your mat, and breathing out, reach way out over the leg, bringing your hand to a block, the foot, or by the toes. Keep your knees straight. Continue to turn your right thigh out to protect the knee and lower back. Deepen your side bend and align your torso with your right leg. Press down through your hand. The chest responds by lifting away from the floor and begins to rotate left. Exhale and pull the left shoulder back, turning your head to gaze up if your neck allows. Exhale again, reaching to the ceiling with the left arm. Breathe steadily and use the arms to energize the upper body. Inhale, release the pose, and exhaling, draw the belly slightly in to come up to stand. Hold your hips and turn your left leg 90 degrees to the left, right foot to the left just a bit. Line your heels up for steadier balance. Relax and float your hips, allowing them to follow the rotation of the left leg. Extend your left arm by your ear and ground the pose by pressing the right foot firmly to the mat. Inhale, shift your hips towards the back of your mat, and exhale, reach out over your leg, bringing your hand to a block, the foot, or by the toes. Continue to rotate your left thigh out as you press down with the hand. Feel the chest respond by lifting away from the floor and turning toward the ceiling. Exhale, pull the right shoulder back, turning the head to gaze up if your neck allows. Now reach to the ceiling with the right arm. Breathing steadily, use the arms to energize the upper body. Inhale, begin to stand. And exhale, draw the belly slightly in to come all the way up and turn the feet parallel. Stand with your feet parallel, keeping the wide stance, and hold your hips. Bring awareness to your feet. They are as active as in mountain pose, balancing the weight between the base of the big and little toe and the center of each heel. Practicing standing poses establishes a strong foundation for all other asanas. For wide legs standing forward bend pose, inhale and hinge forward from the hips, keeping the back long. And place your fingers or palms on the floor in line with the shoulders. If you're unable to touch the floor with a long front body, place your hands on blocks. Press down with your hands to lift the chest. Also lift the sit bones, being careful not to overdo it. You want to avoid a sway back. Focus on an equally long front and back body. Hold this pose for several breaths. Or if you're ready, deepen the pose by reaching out and holding your ankles. Exhale, and from the hips, hinge deeper, pulling in on the ankles while bending the elbows wide to broaden the chest and upper back. Keep the breath steady. Long exhalations. If you're quite flexible, your head may come onto or near the floor. However, keeping a long spine with no more than a gentle curve is important. Remember your mountain pose feet and lift your inner thighs. Holding your hips, inhale and begin to stand. Exhale and draw the belly to the back to stand upright and step your feet together. Sit on a folded blanket in easy pose. With your right ankle crossed in front of the left, slide your feet under the knees. If you cannot sit upright, add a second blanket under your hips. And if your knees are uncomfortable, place a prop under your legs. Now hold your right knee with your left hand, placing the right hand on the floor behind you. Take a moment to steady your breathing and to balance the weight evenly between your hips. Relax the upper belly and exhaling, press down through your hands, rotating your upper body to the right. Turn your head to the left, gazing at your knee. Check in with your breathing and keep it steady, even if that means backing away slightly from your spinal twist. Inhale, release, and return to center. Change your crossed legs, bringing the left ankle in front of the right, feet under the knees, popping up the knees if you need to. Hold your left knee with your right hand and place the left hand on the floor behind you. Take a moment to balance the weight between the hips. Exhaling, press down with your hands and rotate your upper body to the left, while turning your head to the right and gazing at the knee. Let your breath massage the middle back to undo congestion in that area and allowing you to introduce greater rotation in your upper back without disturbing the belly and hips. Inhale, release, and exhale, return to center. Sit on one or two folded blankets in easy pose, with your right ankle crossed in front of the left and sliding your feet under your knees. Place your left hand on the floor about a foot from the side of the hips. Inhale your right arm forward and exhale as you extend the arm overhead. Keeping your right hip on the blanket, bend from the ribs, reaching to the left as far as possible into easy side bend pose. Keep the right arm straight. If you can move the hand further away from the hips, it will increase the side bend. Hold this pose for 3 or 4 steady breaths, letting each exhalation help you bend further. Inhale to release and center yourself in easy pose. For the other side, sit with your left ankle in front of the right. Feet under knees. Bring your right hand to the floor about a foot to the outside of the hips. Breathing in, bring your left arm forward and breathe out as you extend it overhead. Keep your left hip on the blanket and your arms straight. And exhaling, bend from the ribs, reaching as far to the right as possible. Move the right hand further to the side to increase the side bend, remembering to keep your hip grounded. Inhale to release, returning to easy pose.